Ole tuna hiam ZET coaching kalte December test question kan lo en non dona kan solve fanga ti hian masambera chuan question number 1 en taila question number 1 a chuan the radius of a nucleus is atitane. Question number 1 a hian directly proportional to its mass number. Radius of a nucleus formula khalo en taila r is equal to r naught a power 1 by 3 khanetane cube root chuan r naught hi chu constant ani ta a hi mass number ani ta khani mass number khanetane chuan r le mass number relation chu r is proportional to cube root of mass number chuan answer chu option C khani. Sorry. Chuan question number 2 khan lo en le taila number 2 the ratio of volumes of nuclei assumed to be spherical shape with respective mass numbers 8 and 64 tani nuclear pahnih min peya mass number pakhat chu pariat ania mass number dangle chu 64 ani tani chuan an volume ratio kha miron zo tani chuan volume of a spherical nucleus is spherical shape kan assume awangin volume of a sphere formula chu 4 by 3 pi r cube khania chuan r hi radius ani tani chuan radius of a nucleus kha r naught a power 1 by 3 khania chuan r cube kan cube chuan in r naught cube a akhani don tani chuan hi heta hian kan substitute tanga volume formula hian chuan v kha 4 by 3 pi r naught cube a khani don tani chuan tatanga kan hriat tur chu v is proportional to a khani don tani chuan ten kan ti zelanga v1 by v2 ri taila v1 by v2 chu a1 by a2 khani don tani chu a1 kha 8 ani ta a2 kha 64 mo 1 by 8 ani tani chu 1 by 8 ani ta 1 by 8 the numerical value chu 0.125 khani answer chu option C khani number 2 answer chu option C khani le tuna question number 3 kan ti velenga question number 3 the mass number of helium is 4 and that for sulfur is 32 the radius of sulfur nuclei is larger than that of helium by atitane le ta hianin mass number of helium chu 4 ani ta mass number of sulfur chu 32 khani tani chuanin a question miron zo chu sulfur nucleus radius hi helium radius a in engzatin ngelen zok aditani chuan formula tangkhan lo en le taila r kha r naught a power 1 by 3 tani chuan a ratio la tamaila radius of sulfur by radius of helium chuan he laya r naught hi en cancel don ni chuan mass number a s by a he khani dona power 1 by 3 mo chuan mass number of sulfur chu 32 khania mass number of helium chu 4 khan tani to the power 1 by 3 4 in 8 anianga chuan 8 hi 8 power 1 by 3 khani 8 chu 2 cube in a zia thaya tian chuan tan hriat tur chu rs by rhe kha elai kan huang henin 2 aron chuak tani mo 2 this implies rs is equal to 2 times r he alet ni in alien zok ti nani answer chu option a khani option a khani number 3 answer chu option a chuan tuna question number 4 kan ti velenga the radius of germanium nucleus is measured to be twice the radius of beryllium. The mass number of germanium is atitane. Radius of germanium is measured to be twice the radius of beryllium atitane. Chuan hetatanga miron zo chu mass number of germanium hini. Chuan a radius formula ha kan substitute anga a germanium mo power 1/3 equal to 2 r naught a beryllium power 1/3 khanetani. Chuan helai r naught en cancel anga. Chuan a side pani kan q ve doni a germanium ani chuanin 2 q pani anga elam pangpo hi mass number of beryllium khani don tani. Chuan mass number of germanium tur chu 2 cube chu 8 ani ta a mass number of beryllium chu question element kan hianin 9 ani. Chuan chu 72 mo mass number of germanium chu 72. Answer chu option B khani. Option B khani. Chuan question number 5 katile taila. MP denotes mass of proton and Mn that of a neutron. A given nucleus of binding energy B contains Z protons and Z neutrons. The mass M and Z of the nucleus is given by mass nucleus mass miron zotani. Chuan B hi binding energy khania binding energy formula chu mass defect times c square khani. Delta M hi mass defect khani tani chu enge kan ti chuanin proton jongjong mass le neutron jongjong mass at mel khoma tang khanin nucleus mass kan pai doni le proton omzat neutron omzat chu n ani ta hi neutron omzat ni chuan neutron pakhat mass kha m n ani ya chuan proton omzat chu z ani ta a z chu proton pakhat mass mp chuan heta tang hianin mass of nucleus m nz ka kan pai le don ni chuan chumi chu c square na kan multiply nga hei binding energy khani chuan c square he laia c square hi left hand side lama kan la pheyanga b by c square equal to n mn plus z mp minus m n z khani tani chuan he hi miron zo khani tani mo chuan chu left hand side lama kan la phenga he lai b by c square right hand side lama kan la phenga m n z equals n mn plus z mp minus b by c square khani kan answer chu nganyang option D hini option D kha number 5 answer ani chuan number 6 tileng question number 6 chuan the mass defect in a particular nuclear reaction is 0.3 gram. The amount of energy liberated in kilowatt hour is itani mo energy kha in terms of kilowatt hour le turai tani le energy kha chut phot taila delta m c square mass defect mo ta hen mass defect value miron pe 0.3 gram ani tani gram kha kg kan le tanga 10 to the power minus 3 chuan c kha speed of light ani ta 3 into 10 to the power 8 square ani tani chuan hi kan han cho chuanin kan hmu tur chu tian ti taila 0.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into hi 9 into 10 to the power 16 joule ani doni le power joule kha watt into second ani watt watt into second ani chuan hi watt hi kilowatt akan le tanga second hi hour akan le doni chuan a value kha lo chhut phot taila energy value kha 9 into 0.3 2.7 ani ta a ru 10 to the power 13 chuan hi watt second kha ni don ta ni chuan watt kha kilowatt akan le tanga 10 to the power 13 tia watt chu kilowatt ta chuan 10 to the power minus 3 mo chuan second kha darkara 1 by 3600 chuan heta tanga value kan hmu tur chu hi tiang kan duanga mo ti hian ta tanga value kan hmu tur chu 7.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilowatt hour ne ti khan answer chu option D khani option D le bok khani chuan number 7 question number 7 the masses of proton and neutron and proton are 1.0087 AMU and 1.0073 AMU respectively. If the neutrons and protons combine to form a helium nucleus of mass 4.0015 AMU, the binding energy of the helium nucleus will be aditane. Le proton le neutron khan in belboma helium nucleus and siamtani binding energy miron zotan mo le binding energy to mass defect times c square khala ni tani mo kha mangle don taila le helium nucleus cha chuanin helium nucleus a chuanin proton kha pahni oma neutron kha pahni veven tani chuan mass question miron thrilang khan mass of proton kha 1.0073 AMU anita mass of neutron kha 1.0087 AMU anita ni chuan anin combine ta ne mo proton panhi le neutron panhi khan in combine ta chuan in total mass kha 4.0015 AMU anita ni chuan tian han ta la tro delta m tur chu 2 times mp plus 2 times mn minus m hi mass of nucleus khan ta ni chuan 2 into 1.0073 plus 2 into 1.0087 minus mass of nucleus kha 4.0015 AMU anita ni chuan hi delta m value khan ta chuan 1 AMU kha 931 by 931 MeV by c square anita ni mo AMU kan convert anga hi bracket hi bracket tur anita ni chuan hi chu 931 MeV per c square anita ni chuan binding energy tur kha delta m c square khan ta chuan lo substitute ta ila delta m kha 2 he can multiply chuan 2 3s are 6 anita 2 7s are 14 anita 0 2 point plus chuan 2 7s are 14 anita 2 8s are 16 17 2 minus 4.0015 into 931 MeV per c square into c square c square kan cancel anga chuan takan hmu tur chu 28.4 MeV khani 28.4 MeV answer chu option B khani number 7 answer chu option B khani tani chuan number 8 kha lo tile don ta ila question number 8 kha the mass of a lithium nucleus is 0.042 AMU less than the sum of all masses of these nucleons. The binding energy per nucleon of lithium nucleus is nearly eritane tahan lithium nucleus kha a mass kha 0.042 AMU in total mass nucleon mass aina claim jog eritane chuan mass defect khamiron peta ta hian 0.042 AMU chuan binding energy per nucleon meron jatani binding energy jong phot taila delta m c square chu 0.042 1 AMU kha 931 tro 931 MeV by c square mo he 1 AMU enta into c square chuan he hi ni ta chuan binding energy per nucleon chu total binding energy hi mass number in kan semanga 0.042 into 931 by mass number chu 7 ani ta a MeV khani chuan heta kan hmu tur chu 5.6 MeV khani 5.6 MeV chu option B khani answer chu option B khani. Next number 9 a kal le taila number 9 a two deuterium nucleus atoms fuse to form a helium. The mass defect in fusion reaction is 0.02866 mu. The energy liberated per mu. Energy liberated per mu ni chuan binding energy per nucleon so ina khani tani. Chuan binding energy per nucleon chu total binding energy by mass number khani. Delta m c square by a khani. Chuan theta hian delta m value chu miron pe a number 9 a hian 0.02866 khani. 0.02866 AMU kha MeV kan letanga chuan a mass number kha helium nucleus ani wangin 4 a don tani chuan into 1 AMU kha 931 MeV per c square mo chuan into helai c square hi tian la ta tikhan number 9 a kan hmu tur chu hi lo ni ta a 6.675 MeV hini number 9 answer chu option A hini number 9 answer chu option A khani chuan next number 10 tivele taila question number 10 a heavy nucleus having mass number 200 mass number min paya 200 ani gets disintegrated into two small fragments of mass number 80 and 120 if the binding energy per nucleon for parent atom is 6.5 MeV and for daughter nucleus is 7 MeV and 8 MeV respectively, then the energy released in the decay is x into 110 MeV. Find the value of x tinitani mo let here in parent nucleus anita parent nucleus ka daughter nucleus aki dar tani mo ti hian chuanin binding energy per nucleon for parent atom aditani mo total binding energy for x2 binding energy per nucleon 6.5 mo into mass number 200 khanitani chuan 20 phot taila hi 0 tro 25 10 nita a 13 hei MeV khanitani chuan daughter nuclei wile zathi total binding energy chu le taila total binding energy of y chu mass number 18 nita a binding energy per nucleon kha 7 anitani 7 8 56 560 MeV mo MeV chuan binding energy for z kha mass number 120 nita a binding energy per nucleon 8 anitani tro 8008216 960 MeV khanitani chuan energy release aditani mo energy release chu difference in binding energy khanmai energy release chu difference in the binding energy chu by plus b z minus bx khani don tani chuan 960 plus 560 minus 1300 mo chuanin hisen delta la 0 dan 6 plus 6 12 9 14 15 mo chuanin 1 20 nita 5 minus 3 chu 2 nita ne chuan hi 2 in factorize taila 2 into 110 MeV da theita chuan he lampanga khan energy release kha x into 110 ni tani chuan x value tu chu 2 khani tani mo x is equal to 2 answer chu option C khani oh number 10 answer chu option C khani chuan next question number 11 the force is given in terms of time t and displacement x by the equation F is equal to F equal to A cos bx plus C sin dt khan tani dimensional formula for AD by B oh AD by B dimension hi miron zotani le han entai la cos le sin chu trigonometric function ani ta a dimension nei don lo tani chumiam je chu B le x hian dimension nei lowanga D le t point dimension nei lowanga chuan force le A hi an dimension nang don tani chuan dimension of A tur chu dimension of force khani tani mo dimension of force chu ml t power minus 2 khani ml t power minus 2 chuan B dimension tur chu B le x B into x hian dimension nei don lowa 1 ada taila mo dimension nei lo chu 1 tin kan jek thin ta ni chuan B dimension tur chu 1 by dimension of x ani ta a dimension of x to L ani ta ni mo chuan B dimension tur chu B dimension tur chu L inverse khani oh L inverse ania iteng che chon dt poi ti ve taila mo dt chuan equal to 1 kan tianga chan chu dimension nei lo wa kan dimension of t is equal to 1 by t ni ta chu t power minus 1 khani chuan AD le by B kha dimension lo don taila mo AD by B dimension tur chu A kha force dimension ita ni ml t power minus 2 mo chuan D kha t power minus 1 ita a by B kha L power minus 1 ita ni chuan he kan lo chuan in m cancel to tur am lowa m tro L hi chunglam a chhawanga L square t power minus 3 ni ml square t power minus 3 chu answer chu option D khani oh option D khani next number 12 if the length of the pendulum in pendulum clock increases by 0.1% then the error in time per day is aitan mo pendulum clock kha a length kha 1% increase ta se chumem che chu change in length by original length kha 1% mo 0.1 by 100 ani ta ni chuan ni khata khan time kha exact in ya chiar so lang ti kha zo na ta mo le time period kha lo en tai la 2 pi square root of L by G khani oh chuan error lo tai la delta t by t 2 pi chu constant ni wangin la ngai lo ta G poi constant akana zoom ang oh chuan variable chu L chi a hi ni ta ni square root ni wangin power half ani ton ta half kan base kan jek nga delta L by L khani ta ni chuan delta t hi kan zon tur khani ta ni mo delta t chu 1 by 2 into delta L by L into t khani 1 by 2 chuan delta L by L kha 0.1 by 100 ani ta a chuan heta t hi ni khata second omza tur khani ta ni ni khata darkar somni paliya oma darkar khata second sangthum zaru ka om ta a chuan he nen hen tini ten cancel theya chuan takan hmu tur chu 2 in hi 12 line chokte thei boka chuan 12 into 36 heitian tailatro delta t chu 0.1 into chuan 12 into 36 chu hei 12 anta ya hei 12 into 36 chu 432 ani ta a chuan delta t tur chu 43.2 seconds mo second ni khata second omzat ka second somli pathum le point pani in a chiar swal don ti na ni ka kha answer chu option A khani oh option A khani chuan number 13 tile ta ila the relative error in the determination of the surface area of a sphere is alpha then the relative error in the determination of volume is aitana mo le surface area for of a sphere kha 4 pi r square ani oh chuan relative error la taila delta A by A chuan 2 times delta r by r ani hei hian in alpha lukani mo chuan chutini chuan in delta r by r chuan in alpha by 2 lukani chuan relative error in the determination of volume ani ta ni mo volume relative error engzat nge aniang adita ni hoi chuan volume of a sphere formula kha 4 by 3 pi r cube khania delta v by v chu 3 times delta r by r ani chuan delta r by r khanin alpha by 2 luka 3 alpha by 2 mo answer chu option A khani option A number 13 answer chu option A khani next number 14 two steel wires having same length are suspended from a ceiling under the same load if the ratio of their energy stored per unit volume is 1:4 the ratio of their diameters is itani mo le ceiling atang khanin steel wire pani kan khai ta ni steel wire mo steel ve ve ni ta a chuwang chuan youngs modula sai nang don ni youngs modula sai nang don wai ve ve chan chu material ai nang chuan same load ai ta ni same length kan ta a sei zong ai nang ta load inang kan khai ta ni mo ti hian w ve ve o weight kha w ve ve lo khai tai la chuan elastic energy per unit volume kha ratio kha 1:4 ani hei elastic energy per unit volume ita seramo hei u2 chuan in diameter ratio mi ron zot ani diameter ratio chuan energy elastic energy per unit volume formula kha half into stress into strain ani ta ni mo strain chuan ada hianin strain hi chu kan ma mo ran lowa chuan in terms of stress ngor hian da don taila mo wo half into stress square by y khani chuan ta hianin u hei an ta ula half hi chu constant da inang don ta y youngs modula sainan chuan ratio kan la don ta ni u1 by u2 kan la don ta ni mo chuan half le 1 by 2 le y hi chu ang cancel don chan chu steel ve ve ni ta a youngs modula sainang dona chuan in stress s1 ti mail tro s1 by s2 square ni ta ni chuan stress chu force by area khani ta ni mo force by area f by a1 mo by f by a2 square chuan force po inang ta ni chan chu kan load khai kha hei kan load kan weight khai kha inang ta force inang don ta ni chuan u1 by u2 chu a2 by a1 mo a2 kha chung lama chawanga a2 by a1 square a2 le a1 te area chuan area kha pi d2 square by 4 ani ta pi d1 square by 4 square alani ta ni mo pi by 4 en kan don ta chuan u1 by u2 chu d2 power 4 by d1 power 4 khan don ta ni mo d2 by d1 power 4 tian jek taila chuan u1 ble u2 kha 1:4 khani ta ni mo 1:4 ani ta a d2 by d1 to the power 4 chu ti ni chuan in d2 by d1 chu 1/4 to the power 4 ani ta ni chu tian di taila mo 1 ani anga 4 chu 2 square na je thei ta sorry hi 1/4 tur 1/4 ani ta ni 1/4 2 chuan d2 by d1 tur chu 1/2 to the power 1/2 khani 1/√2 chuan d1 by d2 khani miron zo d1 by d2 chu √2:1 √2:1 answer chu option A khani mo option A khani next chuan number 14 answer chu option A number 15 khatile don ta ila a wire suspended vertically from one of its ends is stretched by attaching a weight of 200 newton to the lower end. The weight stretches the wire by 1 millimeter. Then the elastic energy stored in the wire is itani mole. Tian kan wire ta a wire ta ni mo ti hian chuan 200 newton in force kan pot ta ni mo 200 newton force kan pota chuan a wire kha millimeter kharina fan ta ni mo he wire hi 1 millimeter in ron fan ta ni ti hian 1 millimeter in ron fan ta chuan elastic energy stored in the wire ti khamiron zo ta ni mo elastic energy chuan elastic energy formula chu half into stretching force into del extension mo afan thui zong khai ta ni chuan a pot to force men pe 200 newton chuan afan thui zong millimeter kha meterin kan convert anga ti hian 100 ani ta a chuan 10 to the power minus 1 chu 0.1 joule ani 0.1 joule answer chu option D khani option D 0.1 joule ani letuna number 15 15 kan zo chi a number 16 tileta ila question number 16 a 10 volt battery with internal resistance 1 ohm and a 15 volt battery with internal resistance 0.6 ohm are connected in parallel to a voltmeter. The reading in the voltmeter will be close to it and more cell in EMF in ang lo pani kha parallel kan connect ani chuan of EMF formula to chu net EMF formula E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2 khani le tiani taila E1 chu 10 volt ala taila mo 10 volt ala taila chuan R2 chu 0.6 0.6 sa kan langa chuan E2 chu 15 ai ta nei 15 into 1 by 1 plus 0.6 khani chuan or hi 0.6 plus 1 potiola chu danglam chong lo ta hi chu 10 0.66 ta plus 15 by 1.6 khani 21 by 1.6 ani ta a chuan answer to chu ta chuan 13.1 volt option C kha answer to rani 16 answer chu option C 13.1 volt chuan number 17 hile question number 17 the resistance of a wire is 5 ohm at 50 degrees Celsius and 6 ohm at 100 degrees Celsius. The resistance of the wire at 0 degrees Celsius will be at the more like resistance the temperature relation ka R naught 1 plus alpha T minus T naught khani T naught hi chu reference temperature ania 0 degrees Celsius ani ta ni T naught ka 0 degrees Celsius ala taila chuan in 50 degrees Celsius akhan 5 ohm ai ta ni mo 5 ka R naught that 1 plus alpha into 50 minus 0 hi difference ani wangin temperature hi Celsius kha Kelvin a convert khera ngai lo ta ni 273 kan cancel don thok ta a chuan R naught hi resistance at 0 degrees Celsius kan hi kan zon turan ta ni chuan 5 chu R naught ani ta 1 plus 50 alpha khani chuan dot le chuan in 100 degrees Celsius a 6 ohm mai ta ni mo 100 degrees Celsius a 6 hi equation 1 lo ni ta se hi equation 1 lo ni ta se chuan R naught ani ta a 1 plus 100 alpha tian tila taila chungami kan substitute chungami ang ki mang le taila chuan tatang hian 1 le 2 tang hian alpha value kan zong photanga chuan kan zon huwa khan kan substitute anga R naught value kan zong doni 2 divided by 1 lo ti taila chuan 6 by 5 equal to R naught and cancel anga 1 plus 100 alpha by 1 plus 50 alpha khani don tani chuan kan cross multiply anga ti hian 6 into 1 to 6 ani ta 50 6 are 300 more alpha equal to 5 1 is 5 plus into 500 alpha khani tani chuan in 6 minus 5 ani ta 500 alpha minus 300 alpha chuan 1 ani ta hi chu 200 alpha khani chuan alpha chu 1 by 200 khani tani chuan kha heta han kan substitute le don ni mo alpha value kha ta han substitute le taila 5 is equal to R naught 1 plus 50 into 1 by 200 50 in 4 5 equal to R naught anita 1 plus 1 by 4 to 5 by 4 khani chuan in R naught to 5 into 4 by 5 4 chuan 0 degree Celsius chuan a resistance to 4 ohm ani don ti nani answer chu option D khani option D khani oh number 16 answer chu chuan number 17 oh kha 17 jok sorry number 17 jok ani ta a chuan tuna number 18 jok 18 hi oh 18 hi ni ta ni question number 18 in the circuit given in the figure currents in different branches and value of one resistor are shown, then potential at B with respect to the point A is itani hin go from A to B to path CD apply Kirchhoff voltage law tanitani mo there circuit hi logic don ta ila heta point E om ta a D mo chuan tian itani chuan helai hi A ni ta a helai hi E helai hi D ni tan ta ni chuan sekali ya tahan bateri mo minus plus chuan helai hi C ni ta a chuan he ta hian plus he ta hianin resistor om le ta a chuan B F khani chuan he ta tang hian ta la A tang hian B a kan kal don ni he ta hianin hi 1 ampere kala he circuit a hian mo 1 ampere kala chuan helai hi 1 volt ani ta helai hi 2 volt ani chuan heta hianin 2 ampere kala ni oh 2 ampere kal ta ni chuan he en ta ula helai hian 1 ampere kala helai branch D E A C a hian 1 ampere kala ni oh 1 ampere kala na kal chuan helai hian 2 ampere kal sia mo 2 ampere kala 2 ampere hi helai 2 ampere tangkan helama 1 ampere penga ta chuan ani chuan 1 ampere kal don ni oh D to C a chuan 1 ampere kal don he 2 ampere hi point dia hen ron lu ta ni kha E lama 1 ampere kala chu ni chuan in C lama 1 ampere chuan heta 1 ampere mo ten 1 ampere le 1 ampere ka C hen to khomanga 2 ampere kal don le kha A le B in car potential difference khamiron zo khani ta ni mo le point A hen ka ding ta wanga ni A tang yen B a kal don ni A to C a kal photang o A to C nia C to D D to B he ka kal kong tur ani he ka kal kong tur ani chuan A hen ka ding phota ka potential chu VA ni ta ni chuan in battery 1 volt hi kapal tlang ta ni ka kapal tlang dan hi minus to plus ani wangin plus ani don ta plus 1 mo chuan C ka thleng ta a C tangin D a ka chho don ni C to D a chuan current opposite zawin ka kala chuan a resistance hi sang kha 2 ohm ani oh hi 2 ohm ani 2 ohm hi current opposite zawin ka pal tlang chu wang chuan a sign chu plus tur ani plus 2 into 1 chuan D ka thleng ta ni chuan D atang hianin B a ka pheidona battery pal tlang tur ohm plus 2 minus in chuan minus 2 ni don ni oh chuan high to low in ka kala wang khan minus 2 oh chuan B ka vathleng ta ni equal to VB tiang ka tianga 2 la hi chuan cancel anga tro chuan in VA plus 1 kha VB kha ni ta ni chuan in VB minus VA tur chu VB minus VA tur chu plus 1 volt oh answer chu option B kha ni oh option B kha answer to chu ni ta ni number 18 chuan number 19 a helium ion He plus is in first excited state mo helium atom a chuan in Z kha 2 ni ta a atomic number its ionization energy mo he helium atom khalo ni ta sela proton pahni neutron pahni mo he ground state ni ta a chuan first excited state a electron kha kan son chhota ni mo first excited state a kha electron kha azuang chhota ni ten cho heta hian ionization energy kha insang nge niang ari ta ni mo chumi om je chu heta first excited state a electron hi atom atanga la chhok tur khan energy insang kan mo ti kha means kan zona chu ni ta ni le formula kha lo en taila En kha minus 13.6 by Z square into sorry minus 13.6 by n square mo n square chu principal quantum number khai ta into Z square khai ta mo achan chu hydrogen like ion ani wang khan minus 13.6 by first excited state a chuan n hi 2 khani ta ni 2 square ani ta a chuan atomic number Z kha 2 ani ve che bokhain cancel anga chuan hetla ma chuan first excited state a total energy tur chu minus 13.6 electron volt khani chuan ionization energy tur chu magnitude of E entro chu 13.6 electron volt khani hetiang zat hi energy pon lam tang ju supply taila electron kan la chok thei don te na ne answer chu option A khani option A 13.6 eV khani ta ne chuan next question number 20 hile. The surface of metal is illuminated with light of 400 nanometer. The kinetic energy of the ejected photoelectron was found to be 1.68 electron volt. The work function of the metal is more letian metal omta light 400 nanometer khan kan suk chunta ne chuan electron ron chuak ta kinetic energy of electron ka 1.68 eV khani chuan work function of the metal miron zotani metal work function me cheman kan ti thin kha chuan photoelectric equation tang khan h nu plus phi khani h nu not sorry lok ti sur pal photoelectric equation khanin E is equal to kinetic energy plus work function khan E ka photon energy khani ta chuan ta hianin hei hc value miron besang hal ta ni hc by lambda mo k plus phi ani ta chuan phi hi kan zon tur khani ta ni phi chu hc by lambda minus k khani ta ni kinetic energy chuan hc kha 1240 eV nanometer mo chuan light wavelength kha 400 nanometer ani ta 400 nanometer ni kan sela minus k kha 1.68 eV mo ti khan energy hi electron volt aron ni vek ta ne then taila 4 10s are 40 4 3s are 12 4 1 is 4 mo chuan 3.1 eV khan don ta ne 3.1 minus 1.68 chu a value tur chu 1.42 eV khan answer to option B ni chuan metal work function chu 1.42 eV mo option B khani chuan next 21 if the de Broglie wavelengths associated with a proton and an alpha particle are equal mo le proton de Broglie wavelength le alpha particle de Broglie wavelength kan equal then the ratio of velocities of the proton and the alpha particle will be mo proton le alpha particle velocity ratio kamiron zotani le lambda kha h by mv khani ta mo chutini chonin proton chu h by mp vp ni ta sela alpha chu h by m alpha v alpha khai ta ni h n kan selanga this implies mp vp is equal to m alpha v alpha ani ta ni chuan proton le alpha speed rate velocity ratio khamina zotani mo vp by v alpha tu chu m alpha by mp khani le m alpha kha 4 times mass of proton akan lang mo chan chu nucleon pali oma alpha chuan by mp khani ta ni chuan vp by v alpha tu chu 4:1 khani answer chu option C khani option C khani 4:, option D 4:1. Next number 22. At what temperature is the RMS velocity of a hydrogen molecule equal to that of an oxygen molecule at 47 degrees Celsius? Oxygen in 47 degrees Celsius RMS speed and the yang zat kha hydrogen in ang temperature ange an yang aditani mo chon han equal phot taila V RMS of hydrogen is equal to V RMS of oxygen ten taila chon a formula kha √3r temperature of hydrogen by molar mass of hydrogen mo 3r temperature of oxygen by molar mass of oxygen 3r and cancel nga chon squaring both sides taila temperature of hydrogen by molar mass of hydrogen chu 2 gram ai tani mo temperature of oxygen ka 47 Kelvin in kan letanga 273 plus 47 by oxygen chu 32 gram ani tani mo tian chuan temperature of hydrogen tur chu 273 plus 47 chu 323 anita by 32 into 2 more 10 anianga 10 into 2 chu 20 more 20 Kelvin 20 Kelvin anei dawn ti nani answer chu option D khani option D khani chuan to ber nan question number 23 if the RMS speed of oxygen molecules at 0 degrees Celsius is 160 meter per second tani mo 0 degrees Celsius oxygen RMS speed ka 160 meter per second ani chuanin 0 degrees Celsius hydrogen molecule speed RMS speed engzang en yang ani tani mo le VH2 by VO2 lo di ta letro root over 3R then temperature ay nang dona MH2 by root over 3R T by MO2 mo chuan TRT cancel theya sanchu temperature khai nang ve box ya root over MO2 by MH2 khane tani mo chuan in VH2 by VO2 to chu 32 gram by 2 gram ro 16 eta root 16 to 4 chuan V of H2 to 4 into V of O2 more 4 into VO2 ka 160 draw 160 eta 640 meter per second chuan 0 degrees Celsius hydrogen RMS speed to 640 meter per second khani answer chu option C khani tikhan kan zawe